Okay, let's do this question now. We're looking for a base 10. No, for every base, like if it's a legal number or not. Okay, let's start our timer. And we're writing a method that we return 1 if the number represented by the array is a legal number in the given base, otherwise it returns 0. So we are given the first argument is an array whose elements are the digits. So it's not gonna be 16 base 16. It's gonna be from base 1 to 10. Probably 2, base 2 to 10. Yeah, and another number, which is the base. Okay, so where is our signature? If you're using Java, here we go. So let's go to our IDE and create a new class. See, 19, we are doing question number 20. Now, question 20. Okay, let's create a main function first in our class. Public static void main takes a string array. Let's call it args. And then what I like to do inside it is create a test, which in this case is going to be an array. So we'll have an array that will contain our array of tests. So that will be a double. That's why I did 2. And let's bring them in. The first one we have here is this one. Okay, first array. And then we have another example here, which should be no. The first one should be okay. Second one should be 0. And we also have the base, which is int. Let's put it on an int array. Let's call it bases. Sounds like Bezos a little. And our first number is 4, next number is 6. So 4 and 6. Great. So now we can put our function here first. Let's call it static. I copied it here to this one. Yeah. And we're gonna call this, it's returning an integer. So let's bring an integer called answer, and let's just set it by default to 0 and return answer. Okay. But in the main method, let's call our method here, giving it one by one what we have in tests. So for int I is equal to 0, let's start from 0, I less than, let's use a basis length. I is going to increase, and then we're going to print out what it is telling us. Okay. System out println, we're gonna give it this method right here, and as an argument we're gonna pass in the tests at I, and then we're gonna pass in the basis at I, right? Okay. System. Now this is going to loop and give the test to our for our method here. Now for our timer, we have 4 minutes. Okay, just getting ready took 4 minutes. So now we're gonna check that every number in the array is less than 6. This is a very easy question, by the way. Unless I'm not seeing anything. Like, it says a number, so first the number the base that they gave us should be less than 10. So let's just go through the loop and check that every element in this array is less than the base 10, and I guess that should be it. Yeah, int I is equal to 0. This is how you go through an array. Array less than a length. I will increase. Okay, now we're looking for a problem. If we don't find a problem, then answer should be 1. If we find the problem here that is not less than I, then we're gonna return 0 and break out of this method. Okay, so if the element at I is greater than base, it shouldn't even be equal to the base. So if it's like this, we're going to return 0. And that's it. 6 minutes. Perfect. Let's run it. Run 1 and 0. Let's check. The first one should return 1 because it is a legal number. Second one should return 0 because this is not legal number. So we did it. Okay. That was it. You can ask me any question in the comment section, and I'm gonna put this code and the question, the whole question with the example in a Dropbox link. I'll link it in the description. And thank you for watching. See you on the next one.